Okay, now today we are going to discuss about the user input. Okay, so how we can take the input from the user, this is also very important. Sometime, here if we need to take the input from the user, like the computer price, okay, so we need to take the input from the user, then it should compare, so whether which of the value, which block of the code should run, so it should decide based on this input value. So the user should input the value. So how we can do it? So here, instead of this one, here we can write input. Okay, input. So input, so just take this one, sorry, input prompt. Okay, here you can just type, please enter the price of the computer, okay. And the thing is, here it will not take a value, like mean it will not receive the numeric value. So what we need to do, because it will take the string value, so we need to change it here as a integer. Okay, if we need to change it as an integer, so we need to manually change it as a number using int function. Okay, int or float function. So here we can type int, and this is the function. Okay, so we need to type here this should be integer input. Before the input we can type here integer. Okay, so here we have integer, so our input is this one, and let me just little bit more organized, and now we can run the. Now here the problem was because here we have bracket, two brackets, so we need to also close these two bracket here. Now you can see we will run this one, the program, so it will take the input from the user. Please enter the price of the computer here. Suppose we can, let's say the price we can say 200. Okay, now you see, is it expensive? Okay, it is expensive. So now let's say we can run one more time, and here we are going to type 50. Sorry, here we are going to type 50. Now did you observe? So it is a good price. So here we are going to take the input from the user. Okay, so this user input, whatever we are taking from the user, it is going to save it in the computer price, meaning this variable. Now we are comparing this variable with this one, and we are using AND operator. If both are true, okay, then this statement is execute, else this statement will be execute. Else if computer price is less than 200, this statement will execute, else this will execute. Okay, so I hope you understood this program. We are going to discuss about the if statement. Again, I am telling you in a brief overview, if statement allow to check a condition and execute the block of code if it is true, and execute some other block of code if it is not true. Let's say we had a list of item in our stock here in our store. So this is our list, and we want to write a program to check if the item is available or not. So how we can write? So this is our list. Okay, so this is our list. It contains 4 items here: keyboard, mouse, headphone, and hard disk. And this is our variable name. So variable name is our product name, and here we are getting the input from the user. And if the product name in this variable is in the stock list, it will print available, else it will print not available. Let's see how it will show the output. Okay, let me run the program and you will see here. Suppose which product I'm looking up, and here just I will write, let's say mouse. Okay, now it is available. Okay, so if any product, if it is not available, then it will simply say, suppose I have a RAM, let me write it here. Suppose if I will write RAM, so you can see it is not available. It means, so the first one mouse it was available in the list, in the stock list, and it show the value there. But in the second one, it was not available in the list, in the stock list, and it show not available. So this is a simple if else statement with list, by using a list. Okay, so that's all for today in this video. Thanks for watching. I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my seat. Know that they ride or die.